In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on TradingView Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is connect to your broker and start a trade. So I'm going to go to the bottom right of my chart and I'm going to tap on the two arrows, which is this one, trade with your broker arrows. I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to just connect to paper trading. Of course, you can connect to whatever you want. It's up to you. I'm going to go with paper trading right now and tap on connect. Now, whenever you do this, you can then start trading by tapping on the same button at the bottom right. And it's going to open up like the trading panel, and then in here you can start basically by placing your orders. So you can select the sell or buy, then you can go with a market, limit, or stop order. It's up to you. And then as you can see, whenever you select the units, the amount, stuff like that, down here it says exits. Now if it's shrinked like this, you want to tap on it to extend it, and then in here, as you can see, the second thing is going to say stop loss over here. Okay, so to enable this, you want to simply tap on the stop loss over here, and of course you want to select the correct price. And whenever you do this, you can then just go ahead and tap either on the buy or sell button, and you successfully have set a stop loss on TradingView Mobile. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.